If from the same reaction I give you 30 moles of tin 4 phosphate, and I ask you to calculate how many grams of sodium phosphate and how many molecules of tin 4 nitrate you will need, we have different options. We can work from the beginning with moles. I can calculate how many moles I need here and how many moles I need here, and then transform the moles into grams and into molecules. Or I can transform this into grams and make the calculations, and then transform this into molecules and make the other calculation.
Pero misa, multiplicar, por ejemplo, 736.07 gramos sobre mol, multiplicarlo por 30 moles, elimina los moles y quedan los gramos, y ya tienes los gramos.
Por eso. You can transform it into grams and then going from this to this, or you can go first to moles and then to grams. You can follow the way you prefer.
I like the second.
You like the second. Work with moles and then transform the moles of sodium phosphate into grams? Okay, let's do it like this. What will we do using this first or second? Okay. I am asking you to calculate how many grams of sodium phosphate you will need to produce 30 moles of tin phosphate. Okay, I will show you one way to solve it, and then you will solve the other part. I will start with 30 moles. Is 30 moles of tin 4 phosphate. How many grams of sodium nitrate I will need? Okay? What will be the first conversion factor I need? The one that relates what with what? I need moles of tin phosphate below. How many moles? Where do I get the moles here, Enrique? Where are the moles indicated? In the what? Jesse.
And the orange spot, 60.
These are grams.
Grams per mole.
Yes. No, these are total grams.
So grams, so we use 164 grams per mole.
If it's grams per mole, then we divide those by the 30 moles.
Okay. What we have, wait. What we have here in the orange box are the total grams for each substance.
With the red ink, you have 164 grams per mole.
These are grams. I want moles. In a reaction, where do I find the moles indicated? In a balanced reaction. No, I want the number of moles. And they will be in the coefficients after I balance the reaction. The relationship in moles between tin phosphate and sodium phosphate is 1 mole of tin phosphate because it has a 1 coefficient. And what is the coefficient in the reaction for sodium phosphate? 4.
Then we can cancel the moles.
Huh?
But then we can cancel the moles.
Exactly.
Yes, we will.
O sea que dicen que por 4 moles de lo de sodio es un mol de lo de estaño, ¿no?
Yes.
¿No se puede poner directamente los gramos?
A ver, we chose to start with the moles. and transform the moles to moles and then to grams. Yes. Another way will be multiply the 30 moles by the molar mass of tin phosphate and they make the calculation in grams.
Why don't we?
Yes, you choose the second one.
Exactly, I choose that the one you
No.
said. Yes.
Okay, well, let's do it in the two ways.
Yeah, baby.
And then, after I do this, what will I cancel here?
Moles.
Moles of tin phosphate with moles of tin phosphate. And then I need another conversion factor to transform moles of sodium phosphate into grams of sodium phosphate.
We need to do another.
Usa el de arriba.
Okay?
This time we use grams.
So I have the relationship here is 1 mole of sodium phosphate One mole of sodium phosphate has a mass of
164.
164 grams. Remember that the 164 is grams per mole. So I cancel moles of sodium phosphate I cancel this with this, and the other one it was a complete mole. And the result is, I will multiply 30 by 4 by 164.
Which gives you 19,680.
19,000. 19. Es lo mismo. 19,080. And the answer is in what?
Grams.
Grams of what? Of sodium nitrate. Yes? Sodium phosphate. Okay. This is the first way to do it. The other way to do it will be, it's the same. I will transform the moles of tin phosphate into grams. So I have 30 moles of tin 4-phosphate. Aquí lleva un 4. I missed the 4 here. Okay, and I will multiply this. The this per that here will be 1 mole of tin 4-phosphate equals how many grams?
1 mole equals 366.69 grams per mole.
Huh? Sodium phosphate, because tin phosphate is 736.07 grams of tin. What will I cancel here? I will cancel moles of tin phosphate with moles of tin phosphate. And then I will use the conversion factor between grams of tin phosphate and grams of sodium phosphate. It is not so much. ¿Ah?
¿Por qué lo utiliza el primero?
Because this is the one that I am giving you the amount. I am giving you 30 moles of tin phosphate. Okay, here the relationship will be how many grams of tin phosphate? What should I write below? What do I need to cancel?
Sodium phosphate. No. See, no.
Grams of tin phosphate. Yes? And it's exactly the same.
See?
Yes, because it has a 1 coefficient.
Entonces primero se multiplica por los coeficientes y ya luego por el gramo, ¿no?
Yes. And what will I need above? What is the equivalent?
Sodium phosphate.
How much?
4.
No, I am in grams.
Well, 164.
The 656 grams of sodium phosphate. What will I cancel here?
Zinc phosphate.
I will cancel grams of tin phosphate with grams of tin phosphate. And the result is exactly the same. Yes. Yes. Questions? Yes. I am still recording. I will solve the second part using the same 2 possible ways. Okay? But I will need to, yes?
This time we're going to cancel grams.
Okay, now we're going to transform the 30 moles of tin phosphate into molecules of tin nitrate. Molecules. What is the equivalence between moles and molecules? No, let's start with the moles of tin nitrate. I have a 1 coefficient here and a 3 coefficient here. So I can say that 1 mole of tin phosphate equals or is equivalent to 3 moles of tin nitrate. Yes? Is what I have with the coefficients. Then I cancel, I have moles of tin nitrate, and then I know that 1 mole of whatever, in this case will be 1 mole of tin nitrate, equals how many molecules of tin nitrate? How many molecules? 1 mole equals how many molecules of whatever you have? Avogadro's number. 6.02 times 10 to the 23 molecules of tin nitrate.
Ay, no, mejor como lo hizo antes.
No, es que este no es como lo decía antes, es otro.
Hice un gol del estaño, no sé qué,
Okay. It's Avogadro's number. Remember that 1 mole of any substance will contain 6.02 times 10 to the 23 units, and units may be atoms if it is an element, or molecules if it is a compound of that substance. This is Avogadro's number. As I need to cancel moles of tin nitrate, and they are asking me for the number of molecules, I will need to use Avogadro's number.
Pero ese un mol del estaño, ¿de dónde lo sacó?
1 mole of tin equals 6.02 molecules.
Pero del
Es que antes está pidiendo gramos, ahora está pidiendo moléculas.
Este es la equivalencia.
Ah, ya.
Es el factor de conversión. I need to cancel moles of tin nitrate.
Está bien, dale.
I will cancel here the moles of tin nitrate with these moles of tin nitrate. And who can give me the answer? What is the answer here? It's like 550 something. And as I need to move, it will be 5 points something to times 10 to the 25?
5.41, 8.
5.418 times 10 to the 25?
No multiplicar con 6.0.
Teacher, so if we want two molecules, then we need to always multiply by Avogadro's number?
Yes. If I ask you for molecules, you will always need to use Avogadro's number. Yes, Jesse.
What did we multiply? 30 by 6.02 or
30 by 3 by 6.02. Remember that when you use conversion factors, it's like if you were multiplying fractions. You are going to multiply 30 by 3 by Avogadro's number. Okay? If I transform the moles into grams, I will need to go back to moles in some point. So it will be a longer way. We can do it transforming the moles of tin phosphate into grams of tin phosphate, then those grams of tin phosphate into grams of tin nitrate, but then I will need to go back from grams of tin nitrate to moles and then to molecules. It will be a longer way. If you want to do it like that, let's do it. I had the grams here is 736.07 grams of, let me erase this, it is incomplete. Yes.
No.
Miss, la verdad no.
Miss, la escuela no es para dormir y el, ¿cómo era?
La escuela no es para dormir, la casa no es para estudiar.
Exacto. Tú estás durmiendo.
No.
Okay, I am not having a quiz on Monday. Okay, what will you do here?
we put grams here on the
Okay, I have grams of tin phosphate. I need to transform them into grams of tin nitrate.
so we want grams now.
So it will be the same amount, 736.07 grams of tin. And it equals how many grams of tin nitrate? How many grams of tin nitrate?
1 .07.
1,100, 1,100, yes?
Perdón que se siente bien feo.
Teacher, but then we use,
0.07 grams of tin nitrate.
Como que se te pone tieso, ¿no? Sacas, se te pone tieso.
I think that it will be really good for you to pay attention.
Yes, please. Otra vez desde el principio.
Okay, what I will cancel here?
you will cancel
Tin
the,
phosphate with the tin phosphate.
yeah.
Now I have grams of tin nitrate. How will I get, girls? How can I transform the grams of tin nitrate into molecules of tin nitrate?
By multiplying for Avogadro's number.
Yes. I will need to use grams of tin nitrate below. And I will use the amount that equals 1 mole. How many grams is 1 mole of tin nitrate?
6.02 times 10 to the 23.
Okay, how many moles, how many grams is 1 mole of tin nitrate?
How many what?
How many grams do I have in 1 mole of tin nitrate? 366.69 grams of tin nitrate. Yes, the first one is easier. Okay, if this equals 1 mole, okay, this equals 1 mole. ¿No se ve?
No.
Okay, but you will be able to watch it in the video. How many molecules do I have in 1 mole?
6.02
Yes. 6.02 times 10 to the 23 molecules of tin for nitrate. Okay, please make the calculations, then you will watch the video, and then you will be able to ask about this. What will you multiply here, Jesse?
6.02 by
You will
10
multiply this
by
this,
what?
by this, by this, and then you will divide by this and by this. But here, as this is the same number, we can also cancel it.
So we're going to have to multiply.
So please, make the calculation. 30 multiplied by 1,100.07 by Avogadro's number, and then divided by 366.69.
It gives the signal 5.418 by 10 to the 25. We do all the process.
If you do all the process, it will give you 5.
5.418 to the 23.
O sea, te va a dar lo mismo porque sí, o sea, es para lo mismo.
Sí, no,
Usas otros tipos de cosas. No se escribe lo que es más largo. Y ahora es el mismo resultado. Porque te está dando lo mismo.
Ahí quiero la mitad. Probablemente.
Yo.
No.
¿Dónde te pegó? No, la
Metió la mano así.
Questions?
Mira que tocaron unas aritas y se dieron como unas tortillas.
¿Ah? Oh, no se ve, ¿verdad?
No, ni el amarillo.
Es que me acuerdo que unas unas tortillas.
Aún hay un poco más.
No se subo como naranja o algo así. Oye, ¿qué tinto de jugo más? No, se lo había hecho. Y ahora se arrepiente.
Ay. ¿Ahí sí se ve?
Ajá, exactamente.
Vamos a salir bien. Y ahora los que
No questions. Okay. See, you will have homework, practice. Yes. Yes, you will.
Igual y una rata. Oye, no te la vi.